Hey there, and welcome to another exciting video from What is Your Dr. Phone. I am Francisco, and in today's video, we're going to discover some of the best coordinates to catch Pokemon. Pokemon Go is one of the first AR games that was played widely around the world. It received huge appreciation from its fans when it debuted for the first time. Therefore, in this video, we're going to explore some top coordinates for Pokemon Go because we know how difficult it is to find legendary Pokemon. So with the help of these coordinates, you can enjoy your raids and catch rare Pokemon. So remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. 10 best Pokemon Go coordinates / locations for rare Pokemon. So before we move further to see the best coordinates for finding rare Pokemon, let us tell you how many rare Pokemon there are. So there are going to be a total of 81 rare Pokemon, 10 very rare Pokemon, and 10 super rare Pokemon. But to find the rare kind of Pokemon, you need to discover these locations. First is going to be San Francisco, California in the US. Pier 39. Pokemon Go coordinates are going to be 37.808600, negative 122.409800. You're going to see that on screen too for all of them. First of all, check out the California, USA coordinates to make sure that you don't miss out on finding unique Pokemon. This is because the shopping center in San Francisco is one of the most filled places with Pokemon Go fans and has a lot of Pokestops. Moreover, this spot has a higher spawn rate of rare Pokemon, which increases your chances of finding Pokemon such as Bulbasaur, Tentacool, and Geodude. Number 2. Porto Alegre, Brazil. The Pokemon Go coordinates are going to be right on screen for you as well. Moving on, to find some uncommon aquatic Pokemon, you can check out the Porto Alegre in Brazil. This location is considered one of the top locations for multiple reasons, including its beautiful beaches and vast coastlines. Walking on its stunning sea shorelines, you can encounter Squirtle, Psyduck, Lapras, and many other watery Pokemon. New York, USA. This is going to be for number 3. Pokemon Go coordinates are going to be on screen for you. After this, it's time to visit New York, USA. This location has earned a place among the top locations for finding rare Pokemon. You can find different Pokemon like Jigglypuff, Diglett, and more in the exquisite landmarks of this location. But make sure that you don't get distracted by the beautiful lights of this landmark and keep your eyes on finding amazing Pokemon. Number 4. Consolacao, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Pokemon Go coordinates are going to be on screen for you. To make your Pokemon hunting journey more exciting, we recommend that you visit the Consolacao in Brazil. This is a nighttime hotspot and has a large number of amazing bars and food restaurants. Here you can find different Pokemon like Golem, Magnemite, and others. Considering this location as a dream spot for game lovers, you will surely enjoy this spot. Now that's for sure. Number 5. Chancay, Peru. Pokemon Go coordinates are going to be on screen too. To find some ancient Pokemon, let's go ahead and visit the Chancay in Peru. This is a historical city that goes deeper into human civilization, making it one of the top spots for finding Pokemon like Magmar, Tauros, and a few more. At this location, you can also find Pokemon Go clusters very frequently. Number 6. Tokyo, Japan. Pokemon Go coordinates are going to be right on screen for you. In case you want to join the different raids to find amazing Pokemon, then Tokyo is one of the best places for you. At this location, you can see Eevee, Jolteon, and other amazing Pokemon. In addition to this, you can visit Roppongi, which is a very famous place in Tokyo and has a lot of gyms and Pokestops, due to which a lot of people like to play at the spot. So going back to Brazil, we're going to number 7, Indaial, Brazil. Pokemon coordinates are going to be right on screen for you. Furthermore, another best location for participating in Pokemon Go raids in Brazil is Indaial. At this place, you can visit several spots, including the gyms, where you can easily find slots to join the raids. This way, you can get a chance to find Onix, Marowak, and other interesting Pokemon as well. Number 8. Zaragoza, Spain. Pokemon Go coordinates are going to be right on screen for you. Now it's time that we head towards Spain and Zaragoza and check out some amazing spots for Pokemon Go raids and discovering rare Pokemon. In the diverse culture of Spain, you can enjoy a lot of different spots and can get a chance to catch legendary Pokemon after joining some raids. Number 9. Pier. Pokemon Go Coordinates are going to be right on screen for you. In Pier, you can find almost all types of Pokemon. Although this place is not well known for catching rare Pokemon in this area, you should still think twice before trying raids there. But this place can be considered a good spot for increasing XP due to the gyms that are available here. And number 10, it's going to be Seoul. Pokemon Go Coordinates are going to be right on screen for you, as usual. Last but not least, here at Seoul, many Pokestops are jammed into this area. This place is thought to be the best location in Pokemon Go, where you can find a lot of Pokestops to collect the necessary items, such as Pokeballs, to capture Pokemon, eggs, and much more than that too. Now onto the following part. 5 best Pokemon Go coordinates / locations for raids. Now that we have looked at the top locations for finding rare Pokemon, it is time to target the best spots for raids. This is a fact that participating in raids is an exciting part of Pokemon Go, where players can make teams to battle and capture the strongest Pokemon. To participate in such raids, it's important to know the exact coordinates. So for Central Park, New York City, the coordinates are going to be right on screen for you. One of the most excellent spots for Pokemon Go players to raid is going to be Central Park in New York City. As somebody that used to play lots of Pokemon Go over at Central Park, this is definitely a certified location for this game. At this point, a lot of Pokestops can be found where you can collect the required items and find a lot of other players. Moreover, some specific spots in Central Park are the Great Lawn and Conservatory Garden, where you can make effective raids. Number 2 is going to be Santa Monica Pier, Los Angeles. Moving forward, let's check out the Santa Monica Pier in Los Angeles, a popular spot for players to join the raids. The place has a beautiful ocean view which you can enjoy during battles. In addition to this, you don't need to worry about how you can participate in raids in this location due to several available Pokespots already there for you. Number 3 is going to be the Tokyo Tower in Japan. So the third place we have for raids is going to be the Tokyo Tower in Japan. This place has one of the excellent raiding spots and is very popular among the players. A lot of battle gyms and Pokestops can be found here, which can help you to battle with different players in the game. Sydney Opera House, Australia. If you want to check out some most iconic buildings in the Pokemon Go universe, then you can head toward the Sydney Opera House in Australia. These buildings located at this place are the home of several gyms and Pokestops. In addition to this, there is a very beautiful harbor view that you can enjoy during your battles. Number 5, Eiffel Tower, Paris. Last but not least, you can visit the Eiffel Tower in Paris to participate in the exciting raids. This landmark gives you an amazing experience even if you're not playing Pokemon Go. Furthermore, you can also access some Pokestops at this tower in case you are running short on Pokeballs for capturing Pokemon. Now on to the next part, steps to teleporting, how to catch rare and powerful Pokemon without walking / moving. Now that we know some of the best locations and places to find a rare Pokemon and participate in raids, it is time to see how we are going to be able to teleport between these locations without jailbreaking your device. So for this purpose, you can actually take help from some iTools by checking out the step-by-step that we're going to provide you with right now. First, install the iTools app on your system and then connect your iPhone to your computer using the MFi certified USB data cable. After this, just select the virtual location under the Toolbox tab from the main window. Doing this will allow you to move on to the next step. You can easily enter the desired place where you want to go to or teleport to using the text box on the map. Once the desired text is entered, hit the enter button. Moving forward, click on Move Here and your iPhone location will be teleported to the provided location once you have done so. Part 5, how to catch rare Pokemon without getting banned, step-by-step guide. So in case you're facing any difficulty in teleporting from one place to another to catch rare Pokemon, we will recommend you Wondershare Dr. Phone Virtual Location. This amazing Wondershare product can provide you with a straightforward method to change the location of your iPhone. So now using this software, you don't need to jailbreak your device at all, and you can follow this step-by-step process to change the location for you, and then you'll be able to teleport with lots of ease to many different places. So to start the process, you will need to make sure that you have installed and launched the latest version of Wondershare Dr. Phone on your computer and then connected your smartphone with it. Following this, you will need to access the toolbox from the main window of Wondershare Dr. Phone and then hit on the virtual location from the available options. By doing this, one assured doctor phone will detect your smartphone's current location, after which you need to select teleport mode from the top right section to continue the process. Now once this mode is activated, head toward the search bar from the top left corner and then tap on it to enter the target location. Once the location is entered, go ahead and click the enter button to get directed to your desired location. Then a confirmation prompt will appear on the map from where you need to select the move here option, which will change your smartphone location instantly. So furthermore, if you would like to simulate your movement after the teleportation, and then just go ahead and click on the one-stop route function from the top right section. After this, just select your destinated location by tapping anywhere on the map. Then just go ahead and enter the number of times that you want to go back and forth between these points to your desired location, and then select the walking speed accordingly with the help of the speed slider. Once it is done, press the move here button to start your simulation process. If you want to hold the simulation, tap on the clear or pause option as per your requirement. So with this, our video for today has come to an end. Thank you for watching this video, and we do hope that the information covered here will actually help you target the rare Pokemon locations. Therefore, if you have found this video valuable, please make sure to hit the like button and even subscribe to our channel for more content just like this while hitting that notification bell. Please make sure to share this video if you found it helpful, and I'm sure that many others will, so do share it please. Now with that said, until next time, enjoy.